Okay, guys, we got an iPad. I believe this is an Air 2. Let's just see here. It's a A1567. I believe that's Air 2, isn't it? Yep. Okay, so we got this Air 2. Okay, we already opened it, as you can see. And I just want to show you. So I've got the battery disconnected. Okay, when I plug in, oh, when I plug in the charging port and plug it in on the other side here, you can see we get 0.0062. Okay, so that tells us, you see that here? Okay, so this tells us that this is going to be a tristar issue. Okay, so this battery most likely is going to be dead. Okay, but I'm not going to open it up and boost it and do all those things. Okay, so we're just going to unplug the charging cable, get you guys under the scope, and you can see I've already located the tristar. Okay, so okay, so sorry about that. So we located our tristar. Okay, we've seen the orientation. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so it faces, the writing faces down. Okay, the writing faces into the board. All right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to put a little bit of flux here. Okay, it's plenty. And we're going to get our tweezers. Okay, we're going to get our quick 861DW down. Okay. Oh, you guys don't see where we are. There you go. Okay, so we got our flux there. You can see, right? A little puddle of flux. We got our tristar here. Okay, so I'm gonna come right in. Okay, so what we're gonna do here actually is you can see that the sim tray took a little bit of heat. Okay. Got to recognize that stuff when it happens. Okay. So we're gonna take the sim out. Okay. We're gonna coin up on our sim reader. Okay, I'm just show you guys. Okay, so coin up there. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to actually take out our JBC because we've got a different nozzle here. We can get in there a little bit better. Okay, so again, here we go. Okay, so you can see the JBC. I can get right down on it. Okay, so that's what you get when you buy a $2,800 Canadian hot air station. Okay. Okay. Come on, little TriStar, you can do it. Come on. Just waiting on it to get wet. Okay, so what we're going to do is show you guys another method that I have. So we scrape all this black off. Okay, the sticker, scrape it away. Okay. Okay, boom. So we get all that out. We're going to turn on our other station here. Okay, we're going to take down the iron. Just going to show you guys. So this is another technique of mine. Okay, to remove chips. Usually I only use this on underfilled chips, but this time we're going to use it here. Okay. So we're going to get down here with our razor. We're going to come in here. Just try and lift it. Okay, so we're just going to go back to our hot air station here. Okay. Crank up the heat. Throw down some flux. Take away the solder that was left behind. Come on. Okay, good. Okay, so a lot of heat when you leave it in the frame, okay? But you can see that the ground pads are all nice and flat. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 grounds, okay? Now we're going to come in a little more flux, okay? I'm going to come in. Okay. Good. So we're going to come in here and get rid of any rubbish that's in there. So we're going to take our micro pencil, come in. Gotta put some glass back in there, okay? Let's get that out. I'll just blow that out. Just give me 1 sec. There we go. Okay, sorry about the noise. Okay, so now come back in with our iron. Okay. Just clean this up so you guys can have a look. Okay. Okay, we're going to come in with a brush and just brush it up. Okay, looks great. All right, so blob of flux. Okay, so we're gonna come. Let's see where our tri-stars are. Sorry about that, guys. Just, a lot of notifications come sometimes these times during the day. Okay, so we're just gonna pop out the tri-star. Okay, so we had used a 1610 A1 is what it was using, but we're gonna use an A3B. Okay, so this is gonna be a stronger chip. Okay, we're just gonna sort of leave it there. Okay, coin back up on our sim reader again. And we're gonna come in, hold it, blow our hot air until we can let go. Okay, good. Now just watch it. A little bit more flux. It's gonna move, okay? Slowly, slowly, it's moving over. Slowly, slowly. There it goes. Little jump. Come on, baby. Little jumps more. There we go. Okay. Boom. Good. All right. So now we're going to remove the coin. Okay. Remove our little battery blocker there. Okay. You always want to block the battery anytime you do don't have any power to a device anytime that you do any um, work on electronics, okay? So now right away you can see, boom, we're taking proper current, okay? So 1 amp, okay? So that's perfect. Right away, boom, we've got our battery plugged back in now, and you can see. So that's a job well done. Thank you guys. Hope that you learned something today. A couple of different methods I shared on how to remove ICs.